Imagine transforming ordinary materials into breathtaking gold art pieces that radiate luxury and sophistication. In today's session, we'll delve into the enchanting world of gold art design. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, you'll discover techniques that can elevate your creations from simple to stunning. Get ready to unleash your creativity and learn how to craft eye-catching designs that not only captivate the eye but also add a touch of opulence to any space. Let's dive in and create some golden magic together. Welcome, art enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your creative journey? In today's video, we're diving into the luxurious world of gold art design. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, gold can transform your artwork, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication that captivates the eye. Join me as we explore various techniques to incorporate gold into your designs, from stunning gold leaf applications to mesmerizing gold acrylic pours. You'll learn how to create eye-catching pieces that not only shine but also reflect your unique artistic vision. So grab your brushes and let's unlock the elegance of gold art together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our creative adventures. Let's get started. Here are some creative ideas for making gold art that can inspire your projects. 1. Gold leaf artwork. Technique. Apply gold leaf to canvases or wooden panels to create stunning textures and finishes. Idea. Create abstract designs or nature-inspired themes using gold leaf to accentuate details. 2. Gold-infused resin art. Technique. Mix gold pigments or flakes into resin to create beautiful coasters, tabletops, or wall art. Idea. Design ocean-themed pieces with gold accents to mimic sunlight reflecting on water. 3. Gold acrylic pour painting. Technique. Use the acrylic pouring technique with gold paint to create vibrant, flowing designs. Idea. Combine gold with contrasting colors for a dramatic effect, perfect for modern decor. 4. Metallic gold stenciling. Technique. Use stencils to apply gold paint on various surfaces such as canvases, walls, or furniture. Idea. Create geometric patterns or inspirational quotes that shine with elegance. 5. Gold embroidery. Technique. Incorporate gold thread into fabric art or embroidery projects for a luxurious touch. Idea. Stitch intricate designs on cushions or wall hangings to add texture and shine. 6. Gold mosaics. Technique. Use small pieces of gold-colored tiles or glass to create mosaic art. Idea. Design a sunburst or nature scene that captures light beautifully. 7. Gold accented photography. Technique. Use gold foil or paint in your photography to enhance images post-shoot. Idea. Create striking portraits or still life compositions that incorporate gold elements. 8. DIY gold jewelry. Technique. Craft unique pieces using gold beads, wire, or clay. Idea. Design statement necklaces or earrings that reflect your personal style. 9. Gold paper art. Technique. Use gold paper for origami, quilling, or paper cutting to create intricate designs. Idea. Make greeting cards or wall decor that features gold accents for special occasions. 10. Gold leafed furniture. Technique. Apply gold leaf to furniture pieces such as tables or chairs for a chic makeover. Idea. Revamp thrifted furniture to create luxurious statement pieces for your home. These gold art ideas can help you explore different techniques and styles while adding a touch of elegance to your creations. Let your imagination run wild and enjoy the process of crafting beautiful gold art. How can I get started with gold acrylic pour painting? Getting started with gold acrylic pour painting is an exciting and creative endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. Materials needed. Acrylic paints. Choose high-quality acrylic paints including gold. You can use other colors that complement gold. Pouring medium. A medium to help the paint flow smoothly, like Liquitex pouring medium. Canvas or wood panel. Select a surface to paint on. Canvas boards work well. Cups for mixing. Use plastic or paper cups to mix your paints. Stir sticks. For mixing paint and pouring medium. Protective gear. Gloves and an apron to protect your hands and clothes. Drop cloth or plastic sheet, to protect your workspace. Torch or heat gun. Optional for creating cells in the paint. Step-by-step process. 1. Prepare your workspace. Set up a clean, flat area to work. Lay down a drop cloth to protect surfaces from spills. 2. Mix your paints. In separate cups, mix your acrylic paints with the pouring medium. A good ratio is usually 1 part paint to 1 part medium, but you can adjust based on desired consistency. Stir thoroughly to ensure there are no lumps. 3. Choose your pouring technique. Dirty pour. Layer different colors in one cup, then pour them onto the canvas. Flip cup. Fill a cup with layers of paint, then flip it onto the canvas and lift it to let the paint flow out. Puddle pour. Pour colors directly onto the canvas in puddles, allowing them to spread naturally. 4. Add gold. Incorporate gold paint in your pouring technique. You can use it as a base layer or add it strategically to create highlights. 5. Pour the paint. Decide on your pouring technique and pour the paint onto the canvas. Move the canvas gently to let the paint flow and blend. 6. Create cells optional. If you want to create cells, lightly torch the surface of the wet paint to release air bubbles and create interesting patterns. 7. Let it dry. Allow the painting to dry completely in a dust-free area. This can take several hours to a day depending on thickness. 8. Finish your artwork. Once dry, consider applying a clear varnish to protect the surface and enhance the colors. Tips for success. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different color combinations and techniques. Practice. The more you pour, the better you'll get. Practice on smaller canvases or paper first. Watch tutorials. Online videos can provide visual guidance and inspiration. Join a community. Connect with other artists through social media or local art groups for tips and feedback. Gold acrylic pour painting is a fun and expressive art form that allows you to explore your creativity. Gather your materials, follow these steps, and enjoy the process of creating stunning art pieces. Thank you so much for joining me on this artistic journey into the elegance of gold art design. I hope you're feeling inspired to experiment with these techniques and create your own stunning pieces. Remember, art is all about expression, so don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow art lovers, and subscribe for more creative content. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What gold techniques are you excited to try? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and embracing the beauty of art. See you soon.